Hola. Hello. Yeah, I was feeling a little, I don't know, La Fiesta today. So I'm going to make myself some filling for my chicken tacos. I don't think I've done my filling on this channel. And I don't feel like dragging out my little crock pot. I've been trying to make room so I could have room for myself in here in my kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it in a small pan. It'll work just the same. Maybe I can't be as lazy as I am when I use the crock pot, but all the same, it works. And that's 2 breast filet tenderloins. All right, we're going to add a salsa to this, but I had to add some jalapeno because we all know I'm a spicy person. I like to add a little extra cilantro because this one salsa just doesn't have quite enough in it to make me happy. I just want a pinch of salt. You know, you can't take it back out. Little crushed red pepper. And you need a nice healthy spoonful of salsa. I usually make my own, but this is a Walmart brand I like. It's got a medium heat, but I added a little bit of my own as well. I got a little bit more. And then a little bit of purified water over the top. Now, I'm going to let that cook down. It's okay that my chicken breast is frozen because it's just going to cook and cook and cook and cook and cook. So we're going to go ahead and put that on low. Well, kind of medium low. And we're just going to come in and keep checking on it. Okay, this is cooked for about 4 hours. I've added more water. I didn't want to put you through all that. But I added more water as it got about halfway down. And now I'm going to let it cook down. But watch this. Oh, yeah. See? That is so tender. Oh, that's going to be lovely. All right, now we're just going to let it cook down. And I'm just going to pick it apart. I've cooked this on low, and I'm going to put it up to medium high and cook it down a little bit quicker. going to keep it on the stove while I prepare the rest of my stuff, and it will condense down more. I just wanted to show you because sometimes people will overly do it, and then it makes your chicken really tough and stringy, you know, like you're eating like really stringy meat instead of like nice tender juicy fall apart meat like this. So that's all. You don't want to get it, you know, a little bit still there so it stays juicy but not too much. Now we're going to fry up our shells. I do soft shelled tacos too, but today we're going to do them hard. I just put in enough oil for me to cook them in. I don't want to waste it. And I wait for the oil to heat up. I got it at about medium high. When the bubbles come around the base of your wooden spoon, it's ready. It's not quite ready yet. Almost though. Yeah, I started it before I started the camera. You see the bubbles coming up around the spoon? The handle? Okay, we're good to go. I try to get it crispy without turning it too brown, but given it it's not very big for me to stuff, but I like to leave it a little open like an envelope, and I just rest it on a paper towel so let it drain. To say there's an organized way to do this. Not unless I had little racks to put my shells on. I'll just take some of my meat, pack it down in there. taco blend. Don't ever forget the salsa. And lettuce from my indoor garden. Well, it's not exactly restaurant perfect quality pictures, but I'd be pretty happy if someone served me this. Well, I'm gonna try one. I need a plate. Not bad at all. No, it's delicious. And you want to use a fork because you're going to make a mess on the plate. You just eat it like taco salad. That's all I have for you today. Maybe I'll do burritos next. But you have a lovely day. And you know I will now as well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.